Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm gonna be doing something. I'm continuing my segments here on chicken wings. And the reason not to buy them at Buffalo Wild Wings and Wings and More and all them kind of places when you can do your own wings just as good or better than theirs at home. So today I'm gonna be doing garlic Parmesan. I already did a lemon pepper wings. If you haven't seen the video, I have a video up here on the YouTube channel of my lemon pepper wings. But today I'm doing garlic Parmesan chicken wings. Very easy and simple, just like the other ones. Takes no time to make. So let's get started here. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my wings here. Here I'm gonna use granulated garlic. I'm gonna use garlic twice in here, so it's gonna be a lot of garlic in these wings. That's why they call it garlic Parmesan. I'm gonna use a little CAVENDERS seasoning here. I love to use. And I'm gonna use my shake here, the extra spicier, sweet and spicier shake. Like a Steve shake that I put my label on. I've got a video. I got a video and a link on other videos of my shake. If you want to buy this, it tells you in detail how to get it. So good. It's a good seasoning. Very good seasoning. I use it on everything. I'll put a little bit more on that. All right, they're good and seasoned. All right, now let these set here for a second. Now I'm gonna also season my flour. I got all-purpose flour in here. I'm gonna put seasoning in my flour too. I mean, I love my food to be really, really seasoned. That's the key. Put a little granulated garlic in the flour. And some CAVENDERS in here. And that's it. I'm gonna shake this up here and get it all mixed up here. Now I'm gonna let these wings sit here about 10 minutes and let the flavors kind of marry together, the seasoning. And my oil is heating up back here on the fryer, so I'm gonna let my oil heat up here. And I'll be right back when my oil gets hot, and we're gonna bread these off, fry them off, and we'll go to the next step. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, the chicken wings been setting up a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put them in the flour here. Pour all of them in my flour. Y'all know I do my little shake method here. Get them all shaked up good. And then make sure you dust all the excess flour off. It's very important. I'm gonna put it in the fryer here. Very important you shake off all the excess flour. You don't want that on there. I'll put them all in the fryer here. One more, and that's it. So we'll be right back when these get done, and we'll go to the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce for the lemon pepper wings here. While they frying here, it's gonna be very simple. Put a pot on here. Very simple. All you're gonna put butter, get it melted here. We're gonna melt it together. We're not gonna even boil it. All we want to do is melt it. Okay. Okay, we got the butter here. Get it to melting a little here. This ain't gonna take long at all. We're gonna put garlic powder and Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna put a little parsley in there to give it some nice, pretty look. Nice little color there. Check our chicken wings here. See, they coming along good. Or when they float, you know they ready. Make sure they're not sticking to the bottom. Okay. And like I say, all I'm gonna put is garlic powder in here. You can put as much or as little as you want. Like I say, this is garlic wings, so you need a lot of garlic. I put the garlic powder in there. Let it melt a little. Now we're gonna put the Parmesan cheese in here. Put the Parmesan cheese in there. Put as many as I got the recipe on the description of the video. Depends how cheesy you want it. All you want to do, like I said, is boil it. I'm gonna put just a little parsley in there for color. And that's it, y'all. We turn it off, and we get ready till the chicken get ready here. And we're gonna toss it in there. See how easy the sauce was? Chicken is almost ready. So we'll be right back when the chicken gets ready. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We're gonna take the chicken out here. It's starting to float here. And what I'm gonna do, this chicken, I'm gonna put it on the rack here, let it drain, but I'm gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes at 350, almost 400 degrees, and let it get a really extra crispiness on it. So you got a nice crispy chicken wing. So that's what I'm gonna do to these. Put them in the oven, about 10 minutes, not even that long, really. That's it. Put about 10 minutes in the oven. So you get that extra crispy on them. And then toss them in the butter. We'll be right back. So we'll be right back in just a second. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, you see why I put it in the oven? See all that extra oil that come off the chicken wings? See that? That's why I put it in the oven, to really get all that oil, because I don't want any oil on this chicken at all. I got it on the rack, of course. Okay, we're going to put it in the bowl. It's nice and crispy skin. Move this over. Okay, now we're gonna put our sauce on here. We're gonna mix it up again one more time here before we pour it on the chicken. And they say I said lemon pepper on the last segment. It's garlic parmesan. That's what we're doing, not lemon pepper. Got lemon pepper on my mind. And that's it. We're gonna pour that on there. We're gonna toss it in here. Toss it really good. Let it get all that good flavor in the wing. Look at that Parmesan sticking on there. It's all good there. Put a little bit more parsley on there. I like parsley on there. A little bit more parsley. That's it. That's it. Now, I'm gonna put it on our bowl here. Put it around the bowl. See? Wingstop got nothing on y'all. See? Make your own. You make your own wings. See that? See how easy that is? So easy, y'all. See that sauce there? Got that sauce here on the bottom. Shoot, we ain't gonna throw that sauce away. That's flavor. So what we gonna do? We're gonna get a spoon here. Spoon that sauce right on top of them wings. Look at that. Look at that. That's Parmesan there. Parmesan in there with that garlic. All that soaked in there. All that's flavor. That's all flavor there. That is all flavor soaked in there. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit here for just a second, and I'm gonna come back because it's gotta cool off a little so I can eat it. And I'm gonna be right back, and we're gonna taste these. So we'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we are back. The moment of truth here. Of course, I like the flats, are my favorite. Look at that. Oh my God. These are so good. I already know. I already know these are good. I've made them so many times before. If you like garlic, if you like Parmesan, these are the wings for you, y'all. Really so flavorful. Because remember I seasoned the flour and the chicken. And the flavor from the garlic butter. Like I say, y'all, don't go to Buffalo Wild Wings. Don't go to Wingstop. Make your own. Can't go wrong. That easy. Okay, y'all. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full. This stuff is just so good. Give me a minute, huh? Alright, y'all. That's the end of this video. Like I always say, please share, please comment, please subscribe to the channel. Please follow my other social media account. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, the new one, Twitch TV, Old School Soul Food, Twitch TV, and my website, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. Y'all gotta make these wings. They so good. See y'all later. Bye.